All right, guys, 2018 Honda Civic. We got this air duct pipe broken over here. So this car kind of shuts down and starts back up, but it's leaking a lot of air over here. So the car's not gonna run right. So get yourself a new part. 70-80 bucks is the part number. Again, this is a 2018 model. So to make it nice and easy, what you want to do is you want to loosen this up. I'm gonna tell you what size this is. This is 5.5 millimeter. There's one more over here. Let's take a look right over here. We're gonna be reusing these clamps. Okay, that comes out. You also got this little guy right here. So I want to use some WD-40 to kind of lubricate that. I am gonna get my needle nose plier here. So just take this clamp off. It's probably not gonna go up, but it's gonna lock up like that because it holds itself in place. So what I want to do here is I'm gonna kind of yank this out. So I'll be right back. So this guy comes right out of there. Let's see if I can lift it like this. Probably won't be able to lift it. Usually over time this will get hardened up and it's coming up. There you go. Take it easy because the other side is this is the coolant pipe here. Yep, it goes to the coolant, but this clamp kind of closed back up. So we're gonna open it one more time. And we're gonna yank this tubing out of there, and that's all there it is. Okay, there's nothing else holding this baby together. What I want to do now is I do want to take this filter housing, but we shouldn't have to do that. I should be able to kind of pry this off. Try not to like damage the sensor or anything. So this guy comes right out just like that once it's loose. A little bit of a WD-40 here can help you, but over time this will get really hard and this will not come out. So I'm gonna try to yank the other side also. There you go. Once you break the grip loose, it should just kind of come off. And this will, the whole thing should just come right out. Hopefully nothing is holding this from the bottom. So let me this one back in. So try not to put any pressure on this connector here. So to make your life easy, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Let's disconnect this. Make sure your car keys is off. Let's disconnect this. Let's push this clamp in. This connector in. Let's remove this air filter housing here. Okay. Should be a really 5-minute job, but this will come off like that, and this guy should come off just like that. So this clamps need to be transferred from here to there. Let's open this baby up. So this clamp here can quickly go there. Just make sure you don't hurt yourself, because if it snaps back in, it will hurt you. So this guy, I'm gonna transfer both of these clamps onto that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so far we got everything in there. One of my clamps fell down there. I'm gonna pick that up. So this clamp here, it has like a little triangle looking thing. It's only gonna go one way. So what I like to do here is I like to put a little bit of, spray some WD-40 there, some WD-40 there, some on this guy right here. And this is gonna allow everything to go in nice and smooth. You can even throw WD-40 on the plastic itself. Just don't put too much. That, okay, just smudge it all around. That should take care of that. So next step, we're gonna have to get this side in first. Okay, just like that. Let's get this baby in. There you go, perfect. I'm gonna have to get that clamp, which fell on the floor here. This baby goes in just like that. Lift this up. I want to put some WD-40 more on this. And once this is up, this should go in, and then that clamp can come off. But now, what we need to do is, we need to get this side in. So you guys should be able to do this within 20 minutes or less. I'm doing this with one hand, and that's the only problem I'm having. Okay, there you go. Make sure the air filter housing is in a spot. Clamp goes on, clamp goes on, connector goes on. This guy snaps right in. Lock this up. Okay, make sure the full duct pipe is kind of sitting properly and flush. There you go. One. Just want to make sure this side too is in. Perfect. And all I need to do is, that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. I just need to open this clamp up so it can snap in and grab. I hate these little guys. Try one more time. Okay, I'm gonna have to get that in. Just open it up with the screwdriver. After that, your car should run beautiful. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure this sits right in that groove right there. This sits in perfect. Bada bing, bada boom. So thank you for watching my video. See you guys on the next one.